Yay, this is going to be my second video on Divi 5, and I've set up a demo web membership website using Paid Memberships Pro because I wanted to see, and this has been set up on the earlier version of Divi because I wanted to see what the process is to convert from or to migrate from the older version of Divi to Divi 5. Divi 5 is architected completely different or completely differently. I don't know if that's the right word. My kids used to laugh at me when they were growing up and they said, Daddy, you don't speak good English. And I just have a chuckle. But anyway, here I am about to demonstrate Divi 5 migration from an earlier version of Divi. Let's see what the first step is to get over to our dashboard. And from the dashboard, we are going to install a new theme because I mentioned it's not a clean upgrade. It's actually a fresh install that you have to do. I'm going to go ahead and add my theme. And I'm going to upload a theme. I'm going to choose my file. And here's my Divi 5 file. Open that up. And I'm going to do install now. And hopefully it's doing it. I don't know. Yeah, it's spinning. You can't see it, but it's actually spinning, doing its thing. Uploading the file, and just give it a few seconds to complete that process. And it should get into the whole thing of installing. Yeah, here we go. Installing the theme. And then right away, you're going to notice that when it attempts to do that, it's going to already identify what I have. I have a version 4.27, and this is a beta version right now. It's still in beta. And wasn't able to detect my PHP, but my PHP is 8.2. I'm not worried about these. But notice here we have this button. You can cancel if you don't want to install it, or you can replace installed with the upload. I'm going to replace the current installed version with the 5 version, and it happens very quickly. And here we are. Go to live preview. And let's see what it does. It's going to take me into the customization. My site still looks like it's working, which is a good sign. Next step for this process is it has a new version already. Look at that. I'm going to go ahead and install that. The demo version that I had, or the 5 point whatever version, they've actually made some updates to that beta version, which is cool. I get those. Always good to have the latest of the latest, security and all those reasons. But if you go down to Divi menu now, you'll see in the menu here, we have this Divi 5 migrator. This is your first check to see what, now it's going to check my compatibility. If there's anything in my old version that needs to be migrated, it's going to list them here. You can see as I scroll down, lots of nice blue check boxes. This is good. However, here we have 10 modules ready to be converted to Divi 5. Let's go take a look. So these are some of the things that are new or have been re-architected. I've got blogs, I've got a blurb icon on my site, I've got buttons that need to be converted, and so on. And I've not gone in here before. It's going to tell me, oh, here's some Divi progress updates, stay up to date, how to build a team, directory. They've got some resources in here, frequently asked questions, learn more about Divi 5. Now that I know that there's some stuff on here that need to be converted, 10 modules, I have to literally go in and do this. Okay. I have to go in now to the website and actually update these. I'm going to pause this video for now and go take a look at the site and see what needs to be done. But it looks like my plugins are good, which is always a nice bonus not to have to deal with plugins, especially if they're not compatible. That's always worrisome because now you have to find a compatible plugin, which you might like the ones that you're already using. I don't have any posts on this website. I just built up a real quick 5-pager. I'm going to go through my pages now and take a look.